What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be unplasticking this Spectrum modem DOCSIS 3.1. So let's get right to it. So of course Spectrum has a valid sticker date because that's when it arrived. So this is a brand new one. I usually replace my modems every 2 years only because I before this one I had a DOCSIS 2.0, which is really bad. It's supposed to keep up. Yeah, it's like really lowest of the line internet right now. So we already moved to DOCSIS 3.1, and I'll show you the DOCSIS 3.0 right now. So yeah, it's pretty straight to the point. I like that they have this right here, dial 911 in case for any emergency. Oh, and here it is, the DOCSIS 3.0. So modem 3.1 2.5 gigahertz EMTA install active with my extra map. So scan the QR code, download to get started, and I don't have that, so that's what sucks. I don't have an iPhone, even though basically yeah, even though I opened up an iPhone, but that one doesn't work. So yeah, let's get to the unwrapping, unplasticking per se. I gotta say that. So without giving it away, I don't want to put the serial number on here, but here it is, the EU22. Let me just auto a little bit focus. A moment. Not. It's getting blurry. The EU2251 DOCSIS 3.1 EMTA. So input 12 device, comply with standards. If you don't know nothing about standards, it basically says that not give off any radiation. And we got the 2.5 gig internet, so that's where you'll main connect it. That is the cable, and this is of course if you have any landline phones, which I don't believe anybody does. I know I don't because why have it? So here's the thing. This is to reset it. My other one actually previously messed up, so it's just clicked once. This one seems to click better than the other one. I don't know. Maybe the other one melted because I had it for a long time. So we have that. Once again, I really like this, just in case. And now we got this right here. Nice. So everyone could get Ethernets nowadays. So everyone should have a Challenger cable cells. This is a 120 12 volts. Nice. This will actually be good enough to power it up, because sometimes the problem is that sometimes some people they have a modem and they use a lower wattage, so sometimes it kind of turns off, or it doesn't, or sometimes it overheats. I know it sounds weird, but yeah, it kind of messes up the modem itself, where it doesn't keep up with it and it starts to lag, which it's been happening sometimes. So yeah, guys, it's pretty straight to the point. This is once again the model EU2251 DOCSIS 3.1. So if you're a Spectrum user, please get this one. I cannot emphasize how much it's going to make a big difference. I had a 2.0 and that's not good. And in order for you to get more speed, this will work. Once again, this is if you're a Spectrum user. Spectrum internet's pretty good. Oh, there's a couple of scratches on it. Wow. Must have been a refurbished one, but it doesn't, well, honestly, it does kind of look refurbished. They just wrapped them up. They used to be back in the house, but it doesn't hurt. Yeah, there's a couple of scratches, and I didn't even make those. So other than that, guys, I think it's pretty straightforward. I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions. I know that a lot of people, this looks like an Xbox 360. Honestly, it's like a 360, honestly, yeah, this is what I think it looks like, almost like the Xbox 360. Classic. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I would boot it up, but I don't have a power supply cable nearby. But let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think of Spectrum. I know we're not near the fiber internet yet, but I know once we get to fiber internet, it's gonna be amazing. But I know we're just keeping up with the internet, and yeah, we're slowly getting there. That's pretty much it. I don't think it came with anything else. Once again, if you have any questions, let me know. You know, reduce, reuse, recycle.